Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can the ozone layer rebuild itself? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can the ozone layer rebuild itself. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can the ozone layer rebuild itself. The Earth's protective ozone layer is starting to repair itself, according to a panel of United Nations scientists. The main reason behind its recovery, they say, is the fact that certain chemicals, such as those used in aerosol cans, were phased out in the 1980s. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.